Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have some important news to tell you, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking a break from making YouTube videos. Just that it's so hard for me to use just Screencast-O-Matic. I know it takes the maximum is like 15 minutes, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a break for a while. But I will come back. I'm not taking a break forever. It's not like I'm grounded or anything, but. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on in my mind right now. I had like live basketball practice going on, games and stuff, but um yeah, I will info you guys on my Snapchat so um you can see when I will be recording another video. And yeah, if you want to go check out my Snapchat, it's in the description below. But yeah. So hope you guys understand, but sorry, got the hiccups today, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking a break for a while. It's just that a lot of things going on in my mind right now, but I'm not gonna be on YouTube forever. I just gotta get like an awesome setup to do that, computer and stuff. I have to do that when I'm older, so I can buy my own monitor and a lot of stuff like that. So that will have to take some time, but yeah. So I'm not going to be wait, what's this? Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I will be making more videos. It's just that it's not today. Hopefully not this weekend, maybe not. That's only if I'm busy. Maybe I might take a break for at least 4 or 5 days because school's going on in my mind right now. And yeah, maybe if I have time, I will record a video. I just need to figure out when that happens. If I have no homework or I'm not having something else to do later tonight or some other day. But yeah, I hope you guys understand. So thank you so much for watching this. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll put my um Instagram and Snapchat description below. And I might, well, I'm just taking a break from this channel because you know a lot of stuff with this keyboard here. Yeah, and yeah, hopefully. Yeah, but I will probably start a video today on my Nook. I haven't done one since I done my last Rocket League video with Aaron. So if you guys want to go check out that video on my channel, just description below. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Peace out. Woo!